Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of spelling dictation. I am repeating, today our topic is spelling dictation. Students, this is our 16th lecture and 15th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 16th lecture and 15th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about this topic and you have to pick the words in your notebook. Students, you are aware of spelling dictations. Teacher will pronounce some words and you have to hear the words carefully, and after hearing you have to write the words in your copy and without any mistake. After completing your writing, you have to check your copy so that you can make correction if there is any mistake. In your exam, you have to answer 10 spelling dictation. Teacher will pronounce 10 words and you have to write them in your copy. And today I am going to provide 18 spelling dictation. That means 18 words. And you have to pick the words in your notebook. So let's begin. Okay, spelling dictation. Our first word is friendly. Students, your teacher will pronounce a word for 3 times. I'm repeating, your teacher will pronounce a word for 3 times and you have to hear the word carefully and have to write the word in your copy. Like friendly, friendly, friendly. You have to hear the word and then you have to write in your copy. The teacher pronounced the word friendly. So you have to write F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Your teacher pronounced the word friendly and you have to hear the word and then you have to write the word in your copy. And our second word is collection. Teacher will pronounce the word for 3 times. Collection, collection, collection. And after that you have to write the word C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Collection. So like this you have to answer all the words. That means you have to answer 10 words in your exam. Okay, now I'm saying all the words. From number 1, friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Number 2, collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Collection. Number 3, scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H. Scratch. Number 4, gentleman. G-E-N-T-L-E-M-A-N. Gentleman. Number 5, invitation. The spelling is I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Invitation. Number 6, festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival. Number 7, useless. U-S-E-L-E-S-S. Useless. Number 8, cigarette. C-I-G-A R-E-T-T-E. Cigarette. Number 9. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Number 10. Naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Number 11. Competition. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Competition. Number 12. Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Number 13. Program. P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E. Program. Number 14. Laundry. L-A-U-N-D-R-Y. Laundry. Number 15. Canon. C-A-N-N-O-N. Canon. Number 16. Decide. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. Number 17. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Last number 18. Valve. V-A-L-V-E. Valve. Students, that's for our spelling dictation. That means today I have provided 1 to 18. That means 18 words for spelling dictation. Okay, now I'm providing your homework. Your homework will be spelling dictation from 1 to 10. I'm repeating, your homework will be spelling dictation from 1 to 10. That means from friendly to naughty. Students, after completing your homework, please check your copy. Check your every word and please find the mistake if you have done. Okay, and if you have done no mistake, you'll get full marks. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Lecture number is 16 and homework number is 15. The submission date will be the date of Sunday because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPM marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.